Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox HP250G9 notebook. It's with Intel i5 12 generation 1.3 processor and Irish Xe graphics, 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD NVMe. It's 15.6 size, 19 by 20 and 1080 full HD, and also it's having Wi-Fi 6 fastest Wi-Fi and dark ash color, rough surface. It's a matte surface actually. We'll see once it is open. It's a complete project with powerful Intel processor with fast memory and the storage. Its surface is matte look, and beside you can see two USB 3 ports and the power supply, and there's one SD slot, and very slim and light. And also this side you can see the audio jack and Type C jack, HDMI jack and RJ45 jack for the network. And also it's effectively collaborate with an HD camera and AI based noise reduce with dual ray mics. Let's see the inside. I'm going to install Windows 10 on this laptop. It's good surface. It's not gonna slip from the hand. After install Windows 10, I feel some drivers issue. As you see, this is 12 generation i5 laptop with 16 GB RAM. I'm going to update the Windows to fix my drivers issues. So a lot of drivers are not installed. Let's see after update the Windows. Okay, it's already updated. Let's see what's happened after restart. Yeah, after restart, even though there's not much difference happened because this is new laptop, hence I decided to use my driver pack. So driver pack has detected all the missing drivers. I'm going to install all drivers manually. So all available drivers are selected. Then we'll install 13 drivers there. This driver pack you can download from the internet. It's named Snappy Driver Installer. This is latest version 1.22.1 Snappy Driver Installer. After first installation, lot of drivers has taken, but still some drivers are missing. It's still I can see still is downloading. Some drivers are installing yet. Okay, now I'm going to restart again. After restart, I can see audio driver not installed. Let's see here in the device manager. Yes, audio driver is not installed. Again, we'll run the driver pack. Here is the audio driver. We'll take high definition audio. Let's install this. Actually, this laptop is very good and very light, good surface, and it's not slippery. You can take outside. It's good for the AutoCAD designers, gamers, and students, and the office work. It's very good because it's having 16 GB RAM and the 12th generation processor. Even though it's i5, I can feel it's having good performance. Yeah, see, the once install the drivers, it's taken already. Audio drivers has been taken. Nice. Now you can see all the drivers has been installed. It's ready to go. Herewith I recommend this laptop to anyone who looking for a cheap laptop. This one very affordable price in the market, and it's new laptop and having 512 NVMe hard disk. Okay, that's it. Anyone looks this video is great, share and comment whatever you want. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.